Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Melvin Soto. I'm here to talk about what is life insurance and what are the benefits of life insurance. Because I am also have a life insurance. And before I start, I just want to let you know that I'm a licensed independent insurance broker across in 9 provinces across the country. So life insurance for me is a solution if life is short for us. So why? Because imagine if we are the provider of family, we have an income, and those income will use to pay what? Our food, clothing, to pay our shelter, our mortgage, and clothes, and other things that our family needs today, right? But if something bad happened to us, or let's say for example husband and wife, both of them has no life insurance. If one of them pass away, so the family will have financial difficulties, to shoulder those responsibilities because the wife or the husband pass away, income will stop as well. Right? That's why it's very important if you are husband and wife watching right now, make sure you have adequate life insurance. So many people has life insurance already, but you have to calculate, is it enough my insurance right now? Because we have to calculate how much the funeral cost in Canada, how much your debts, could be you have a car loan, could you have a student loan, any types of debts, right? Liabilities. We have to calculate that one. And of course, we have to calculate also the income. If we earn $50,000 today and if we pass away, that $50,000 is gone. So we have to make sure that if we pass away at least 10 years, our family will still receive an income. So with the use of life insurance, so let's say for example a $50,000 income, so 10 multiplied by 10 years, so you need basically 500 or $500,000 income replacement. What else? Mortgage. If you own a house or if you have a mortgage right now in the bank, so make sure that mortgage is protected. For example, your house is worth $400,000, your remaining balance is $400,000. So make sure you have $400,000 in place, life insurance, on top of your income replacement and on top of your funeral costs and your tax, right? And the last is you have to determine also how much the childcare cost and education, right? Especially if you have young children. Because if you pass away without life insurance, who will pay that debt? Who will take care of the funeral? Who will replace the income? And who will pay the mortgage? And who will save for children education? It's hard for one of you to do that, right? That's the big responsibility that we have right now. That's why we have to think about how much insurance do I need. I need to make sure that my insurance right now is adequate so that if something bad happened to me, I will have a peace of mind. My family will feel my love even if I'm not here anymore. So, but there's 3 types of life insurance, by the way. Number 1 is term insurance, second is whole life insurance, and third is universal life insurance. But those insurance are totally different, right? When it comes to temporary coverage, term insurance provide temporary coverage, whole life and universal life provide permanent coverage. Okay, when it comes to cash value, term insurance would provide cash value, whole life and universal life provide cash value. Right? When it comes to growth potential, term will not provide growth potential, whole life and universal life will provide growth potential. When it comes to direct self-investment, term and whole life won't provide that. Universal life, it will allow you to choose the investment. You have a control with the portfolio, with the investment, right? And the price, the premium. Term and whole life won't change. Universal life, it increased the premium because of the flexibility of the plan. So it means you will have an ability to increase the contribution so that you will have, more money goes to your investment so that you will have also an ability to increase your cash value that you can use in the future, right? And what else? Cost. So term insurance is a little bit cheaper. It's cheaper than the two. Okay, whole life and universal life has higher cost. Now that is life insurance. We need life insurance today because of our big responsibilities. But when we grow old, we need also a protection. Now the question there is, if you live longer, what solution, what protection do you need? Okay, that is something that we need to talk about later on my next video. So thank you very much for watching. My next video I will explain to you what kind of investment or what other investment available for you here in Canada to utilize that investment to help you to make sure when you retire you have a financially secured retirement. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Melvin Soto. Have a good day everyone. God bless.